Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best CB drum set is probably one of the most sought-after drum sets for beginners and hobbyists, offering an excellent balance of affordability, quality, and versatility that allows players to explore different musical genres and develop their skills without breaking the bank. This comprehensive review will delve into the features, sound quality, and overall value of CB drum sets, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your musical journey. Number 5. Mendini Cecilio Kids Drum Set. Get ready to rock. This 5-piece drum set has everything a young musician needs to start their musical journey. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's an all-in-one kit, complete with bass drum, toms, snare, cymbal, hi-hat, sticks, and even a throne. Everything is included for immediate play. Not only does it look amazing, but it's built to last. These drums are durable enough to withstand even the most enthusiastic young drummer. This set boasts a 16-inch bass drum, along with toms, snare, hi-hat, and cymbal. It's perfectly sized for young players. It comes with 40 melodics classes to help you learn, plus drumsticks and an adjustable seat. Everything you need to start playing is included. It arrives unassembled for safe shipping, but don't worry. Assembly is simple with the included instructions. You'll be playing in minutes. What we like. It has everything a young drummer needs to get started, is built to last, and is super easy to put together. If you're looking for a complete and kid-friendly drum set that's easy to assemble, this is a great option for your young musician. It's perfect for beginners aged 5 to 12 who are ready to make some noise. What people say. Everything was packaged well and looks great once all put together. Stool is comfortable and easy to adjust. Everything seems very durable and can handle our toddler playing with it. The drum set itself seems to be good quality and came with clear assembly instructions. Number 4. Best Choice Products Kids Drum Set. It's the perfect size for children aged 3 and up. It has everything they need to start their musical journey. The all-wood shells are carefully crafted to produce a rich, warm sound. They're built to last. All the hardware is included, and it's easy to put together. Fine-tuning is simple with the included drum key. The high-gloss finish is not only beautiful but also protects the drums and keeps them sounding great. This complete set includes 2 toms, a bass drum, cymbal, sticks, pedal, and a comfortable stool. Get ready to rock. With its compact size, 22L x 29 inches when assembled, it's perfect for small spaces and big dreams. What we like. This set boasts all-wood shells for a great sound and includes everything needed to start playing right away. It's designed for younger children, making it ideal for those just beginning their musical journey. If you are looking for a high-quality, affordable set for your little one, this is the one for you. What people say. It's clearly a basic kit, sans hi-hat, actual snare, but it is built surprisingly well, especially at this price point. Looks great and he's having a blast with it. Perfect size for my 2 boys. They love playing the drums, especially playing along to music videos. These worked out perfectly. There's nothing bad I can say about them, they sound like the real thing, perfect gift, easy to put together. After having them now for a few years, they are still in amazing shape with no issues, even with 2 rough boys playing with them all the time. My son was 20 months old when we got this drum set. When he listens to music he loves to hit beats with anything he can find to hold. Then we found this drum set with very good sound quality, durability, and fun to play. It looks like a professional drum set for kid, unlike others just a toy. Number 3. Pearl Roadshow RS 525 SE. It includes everything you need to start playing immediately. Drums, hardware, cymbals, throne, sticks, and even a stick bag are all included. This kit has a 22 by 16 bass drum, 14 by 5.5 snare, 10 by 8 and 12 by 9 rack toms, 16 by 16 floor tom, and all necessary stands and hardware. It features 6-ply 7mm poplar hardwood shells with a hand-cut 45-degree bearing edge for superior resonance and tuning ease. The double-braced stands are height adjustable and lock securely into place. You'll have stability and flexibility. It comes with a 16 crash ride cymbal, 14 hi-hats, drumsticks, and a stick bag. Everything you need is right here, ready to make music. What we like. It comes with everything you need to start playing immediately, is made with high-quality materials, and features sturdy, adjustable stands. If you're a serious beginner or intermediate player looking for a complete and durable set, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a professional feel without breaking the bank. What people say. The kit comes complete: drums, stands, cymbals, pedals, even sticks. And it's packed in an amazingly small box. Pearl has solid, high-quality shells. They're poplar, not maple or birch or mahogany, but the wood type matters less WRT sound than good construction and heads. The hoops and clamps are nicely chromed and solid. Hardware is double-braced and solid. I really like the bass pedal, even though I have others. And the hi-hat stand is responsive. The cymbal boom where a second tom would be is a nice touch. Number 2. BCP 5-piece adult drum set. It's time to make some noise. This complete drum set has everything you need to start your musical journey, from drumsticks to a comfortable stool. This isn't a toy, it's a full-size drum set perfect for adults and serious players. It includes all the essentials for a rich, full sound. With its high-gloss finish, white drum heads, and chrome hardware, it boasts a timeless look that will turn heads. It's built to last, too. Made from solid wood and metal, it's designed to withstand years of playing. You can focus on your music, knowing it can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're just starting or already a seasoned pro, this versatile set is perfect for you. Its standard size makes it comfortable and easy to play for everyone. Check out the size of that bass drum. At 23 inches in diameter and 16.5 inches high, it delivers the power and resonance you need for a truly impactful sound. What we like. This full-size set is perfect for both beginners and experienced drummers, offering a classic look and lasting durability. If you're an adult or older teen who wants a full-size drum set with a timeless look and feel, this is the set for you. It's built to withstand years of playing. What people say. It arrived well packaged, with each piece wrapped in cardboard, protective wraps or in sealed baggies. Often with value products, you open them only to find some vital part missing that you either have to reorder or try to make do without, so I was pleasantly surprised to find all items as expected, plus an extra large and small bolt included. Finish is clean and glossy, fit is decent as much as I expected. Chrome hardware parts were built solidly. The shell sounds really pretty consistent once tuned with decent heads. All in all, this is a really kit for a beginner. I think if our kid sticks with it for over 1 year, I'd be looking at going to a local music store, or through our drum instructors' connections, and buy a quality wood set and spend a little more. Number 1. Ludwig LC178X025 Questlove Kit. This is the perfect drum set for young musicians. It's designed to be portable and easy to use, making it ideal for practice at home or on the go. It includes a bass drum, snare drum, tom, and floor tom. Everything your young drummer needs to start making music. It's small enough to fit in a small space, but still provides a full drumming experience. It's easy to transport to lessons or friends' houses. This drum set is built to last and is sure to bring hours of fun. The vibrant red wine sparkle finish adds a touch of style. It's perfectly sized for kids aged 4 to 10. It's the ideal way to introduce them to the joy of drumming. This kit comes with a foot pedal for the bass drum, allowing for a complete and authentic drumming experience. Order yours now and unleash your child's inner rock star. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring drummer. What we like. It's small enough to easily move around, yet still delivers a great sound. This is a perfect option for young drummers who need something portable and easy to store. If you're looking for a smaller, travel-friendly drum set for a child, this is a great choice. What people say. The quality is surprisingly very good for the price. You might want to swap out the cymbals, but they really aren't that bad considering. It is not a toy. This is definitely a true drum set designed for kids to grow into. You can easily swap some things out and use this kit live for some situations. It's definitely a quality kit. Smaller drums mean less production cost. These little guys sound surprisingly good. We spent a good amount of time tuning, and the overall sound of the kit is remarkable. The hardware feels good, and the drums sound great. Very well made and definitely worth the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.